February 22, 2012, is said to show an incident that took place the same day at Para, Brazil. The helicopter appears to be a medevac Eurocopter, A-Star AS-350BA, a helicopter that is engaged in full flail mode while on the ground until it self-destructs. Early reports stated that there were 4 aboard for this ride, 2 pilots in the forward section, which nearly breaks free of the aircraft, plus 1 doctor and 1 flight nurse in the rear. The reports state that the aircraft initially suffered excessive vibration while still in the air, and that vibration developed into destructive ground resonance after the aircraft touched down. Ground resonance is a phenomenon that takes place on the ground. It is the result of an out-of-balance condition that can develop in the rotor system of even healthy helicopters. On the ground, the condition couples an asymmetric lift condition in the rotor with reactive forces from the aircraft's landing gear. The forces feed off each other until the aircraft literally shakes itself apart. It is generally countered by early recognition from the pilot and action to take the aircraft back into hover, where the condition resolves itself. Not this time.
As you can see, this bridge was exceptionally long and narrow, over half a mile long, only 39 feet wide. It lasted just 4 months. During construction, we see the steel girders, 8 feet tall, which were supposed to stiffen the bridge against bending. However, some up and down vibration was observed during the entire useful life of the bridge. Here's opening day. On November 7th, the bridge suddenly went into a twisting motion. The wind speed was a steady 42 miles per hour. This was enough to keep the bridge oscillating in one of its natural modes of vibration, with a period of 5 seconds. A professor of engineering went out to see what had happened. He's coming back, walking with some difficulty along the nodal line, which is the center stripe of the roadway. It's remarkable that the girders were this flexible. This is photographed at normal speed. However, a collapse was inevitable after a little more than an hour of this. The car had been abandoned earlier. No one was injured in the whole affair. However, a small dog in the car was frightened and was afraid to come out, and he perished along with the bridge. The bridge was rebuilt using a stiffening truss instead of girders. The new bridge is completely stable.